Nightmares can significantly disrupt sleep, causing fear, anxiety, and excessive daytime sleepiness, and they are not just a childhood issue. About half of adults experience them occasionally, with 2% to 8% suffering from chronic ones. These vividly realistic dreams often relate to stress or past trauma, while night terrors occurring earlier in the sleep cycle are characterized by intense fear without dream recollection. Nightmares may indicate underlying psychological conditions like anxiety, depression, or PTSD, often exacerbated by factors such as poor sleep hygiene, medication side effects, or stress. To address nightmares, it's crucial to identify any underlying issues, reduce stress through relaxation techniques, maintain a comfortable sleep environment, and consult a doctor for appropriate treatment options, including therapy or medication adjustments. Additionally, avoiding late-night snacks and engaging in regular exercise can further improve sleep quality and help mitigate nightmares.